Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. In the gallery, I have a 12 by 12 inch canvas. I have some leftover paints. You can see there's some orange, probably black enamel, and some matte pink neon from folk art. And I am contemplating just playing fast and loose with paint with my leftovers. And my mica powder that's been made up for more than a year. And it's looking nice and heavy right now. Really nice. Cured well. So I'm going to give myself an opportunity to quickly get rid of the bubbles in that. And what do I want in this? I think I want some neon. Ooh, it's not open. I'm going to have some neon, not neon. I am going to have some purple flash from Folk Art, which is a color shifting paint. And hope that this is enough. And grab some turquoise that has iridescent pearl fine in it. And then I'm going to do whatever comes to mind. That's going to be ribbon pouring. If I can get a lot of my bottles out of my way so I can do it. You may not have enough paint, but whatever it is, it's a strange start, and it's a start. And I'm going to use my leftover edge catcher from the last piece. And I think I'm going to give myself a chance to just go crazy with colors I really, really love. You know what? I'm going to get rid of that edge catcher right after I take all of the paint. Maybe I won't get rid of it. Maybe I'll just take the paint off. And use it. There we go. Hopefully that'll help. Now I'm going to use it again. Now, because I love that orange, and because I can, I am going to grab some Venetian blue, throw it right in there. For the fun of it. Because sometimes it's just only ever about the fun of it. I want that to go down without dropping that other portion off. Can I get away with it? I'm not sure. I'm sort of breaking all my own rules. I want more of that blue in there. I can tell you right now, and I'm going to give it to myself too. Might be making a little bit of a mess. So far I'm getting away with it. Now I don't have to run anything over to that edge. I can actually just put something in there. And then fill it in with my finger. That Venetian blue will be iridescent. I'm really liking a lot of this. I think I'm just going to take my paint off. I hope I don't make complete mud. Might have some. I think I'm going to get rid of that some right up here on my low leafy silicone mat. Alright, so I want to do something outlandish. I want to take a chance. I want to use some of that yellow right in that blue without making green, but I've got to do something down here first. I haven't just used my breath for a while. Kind of like the idea of some of that up there too. But I used my breath yesterday, not on camera. And I liked how it worked so much. I was interested in doing it again. Oh, I'm going to plug. I don't want to plug. Oh, come on. That was definitely not plugged. Alright, so let's grab some of the residual color. Throw a little orange in there. And just keep right on playing with composing by the seat of my pants. I know I said I was going to put some yellow in and then I didn't. But it's not over till I sing. That's cool. That's really cool. It's not going to look that way in a second after I tip it to get the edges covered. Put a thumbnail over there. Let all of that roll down and take a big chance and throw it back in. And it is something of a chance. This is cool. I like it. Edge catching is an art form. I recommend learning how to do it. Oh, please don't destroy all my coolest stuff there. I like that turquoise. Where is it going to go? I don't know. Maybe right over that mucky spot. I like adding new and strange patterns to things to change up the composition. I think I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to have some more paint to clean up. This has got to go. This edge catcher is not helping me. It's just too yucky. Okay, so there's another color I've been thinking a lot about that I love with some of these colors, especially that orange. Usually that would probably be black, and I never did use that yellow either. So let's just grab a little bit of that. Take a chance. Yep, found the painty end of the straw again. Trust me, you don't want to do that. So I am just sort of rolling and rambling. Dragging something that's attached. One more tilt will either fix it or kill it. You can never tell exactly. I'm kind of missing magenta or red. I want another edge catcher and I just stuck my finger right in the edge of that canvas. And I bet you anything. Oh, cool. Kind of need something right in the center, and I'm not sure what it's going to be. Maybe I'll just take a straw and see what happens. Maybe I should have cleaned up that straw better. Let's grab a different straw. Dinosaur bones. I don't know why I said that. So I'm creating patterns on the surface and unearthing some colors. Because I can. And I'm liking my results. Now I want to stop and look before I go too far. No, I do like that. And I didn't get any green out of my... Yeah, I did. I got a little tiny bit of green. So that's cool. What else? Anything else? We're almost done. I got plenty of time left. I don't want the purple. I want some black. Just a little here and there. That's good. Just pick up one little tiny end of it. Is that going to do it? Huh. I kind of thought I wanted some up here, but I've sort of changed my mind. Maybe that was enough. Okay, so that was cool. That was fun. That was creative. That was just composing by the seat of my pants. And there's over 90,000 of you. And if you're new, please be welcomed. And if you're not new, then you're probably still cruising my playlists of 1,600 videos. And thank you so much for watching them. I appreciate that. For anybody new, they're organized by the 100 and also by the topic. And if you watch them longer, or any of my videos longer, it's a really big assistance to me, and I appreciate it very much. Same with, I appreciate the thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys making wonderful comments to me that keep my morale boosted. And if you happen to be interested in winning an artwork that's by me, I put the monthly drawing prizes, and I include them. I got a mess. I include them in the video on the end screens in the last 20 seconds, the exhibition video. That yellow thing is just drawing all my attention. And I need something to distract me. A wood a bit. I'm probably not going to make this any better by adding more things to it. But I was called, and sometimes it's just the most fun of all to be down and get funky. And it sort of helps blend it in a little bit. What else? What else? What else? Is there anything else that I can distract my eye with? Now that's just cartoony. But it might work. Nope, that's not bothering me. I'm going back to my straw again though. A lot of things are sinking away. It used to be the mica powder that did that, and it's not doing it right now. That yellow's making me crazy. And I forgot the turquoise was plugged. And I thought I was done, and I said so, but you know better. I'll probably love it again tomorrow. Ooh, I like the little turquoise wandering tendril. Okay, so I guess it is what it is. I love you guys. Please shop my Amazon link if you can. If you are interested in going to Amazon and you start at my link, whatever you purchase helps me out a little bit and helps me buy art supplies. Yes, I know, I stuck my skewer right in there and made a spiral. Or 3. Because I can. The name of my 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and they are on the link tree below the video. Right there near the Teespring clothing with all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. I'm going to torch again. Did I torch before? I certainly had a lot of paint. So much for using up leftovers. This just doesn't look like anything else, which is pretty cool. I like it when that happens. And when you see it again, you'll see that the mica dries shiny as a son of a gun. So what should I tell you guys? Please feel free to ask questions if you want to. Oh wow, there's a vulture in my painting. I just saw his beady little head. Can you see his little black beak? Maybe he's an eagle. I don't know. Whatever he is, he's got a bird head. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to check my list over there and tell you that check the community board for tomorrow's video. Check the Facebook groups underneath the link tree for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students. Look for my email address under the link tree, really under the link tree, if you want to take a lesson at the house and at the gallery in Spring Hill, Florida. And if you're interested in making a purchase, that's a big help to me. So that's another way to contact me with the hashtag from the video that you saw, the painting that you're interested in, or on the end screen exhibition video you'll find there too. Look for Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And what else? Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums that have edited artworks from YouTube, and also Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America, where you can shop to your heart's content and find all kinds of cool stuff, like over 1,400 things with like 20 or 30 items each. So I love you, and I'm going to try and zoom in, but I don't think the middle is nearly as interesting as the edges on this. And it's a bizarre bunch of colors, but it's definitely my comic book leftovers. That's as far as I can zoom in anyway. I've got some great cells in there. Thank you guys for joining me. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Please know I love you, and thank you for being here, and I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, saying, see ya! Bye for now. Priscilla out.